So, we just wrapped up 3 incredible days in the Amazon, and honestly, we didn't want to leave. But the curvy roads of Ecuador had other plans. We are headed straight up into the mountains now. The elevation brings serious beauty and also serious challenges, all leading to the famous Termas de Papallacta.
Hey guys, welcome to this new vlog. If you have been following our Ecuador series, thank you so much. My name is Jairo, and in this one we are visiting the Papallacta thermal waters. And this one is situated just maybe an hour and a half from Quito, the capital city of Ecuador. And it's very cold, very different than what we're used to in Aruba. A lot of beautiful nature and a lot of beautiful flowers, a lot of things to look at, especially the mountains. I'm gonna show you around in just a bit. Let's go.
The front desk team was incredibly nice, but since our room wouldn't be ready until 3 p.m., we went exploring. We checked out the gorgeous grounds and tested the water, and yes, it was perfectly hot. Next, we wandered the property to get a feel for the layout and the stunning, unique vegetation. Even with Ecuador's unpredictable, fast-shifting weather, the excitement for our short overnight stay was real. Hungry after a long day, we finally grabbed some late lunch at the restaurant. Honestly, every single dish was absolutely incredible.
Lekker?
Check-in complete. And look at this setup. The pools are literally steps from our room. With so many options ranging from warm to hot, it was a total paradise for the kids. They couldn't get enough. I cannot stress enough how dreamy this place is, especially at night. Before dinner, we stopped by the lobby just to check out this awesome fireplace. Here is the main dining room, and by the way, the food was again incredible and the staff was even better.
Ik blijf echt drijven, ik zweer het. Bro, jij stopt mij in je been.
In just a bit we're going to try to do at least part of a hike. The weather seems to be holding up this morning. It looks beautiful, sunny, and yet cold. So that for me is a change, a good change for a while. And yeah, the hike is a little bit further up. We don't know if we're able to do it. It is a very high altitude. I think we are at around 3,400 meters. So the breathing is a little bit more difficult. We arrived yesterday from the Amazon. I didn't feel sick, but I didn't feel all that good either. I think my body was adapting to the height. So we took an easy afternoon and an easy evening, had lunch and dinner here. It was very, very good. We did swim, and we're gonna do that later on as well. Before we go, we're just here for one night, but wanted to definitely show you the beautiful side of Ecuador. What a country. We're in love with it. So here on the left, right here, you can see the public baths. The hike starts somewhere over here. We are heading up this mountain, this hill, hopefully doable. Every step feels like hard, but thankfully we are all doing okay so far. So when you stay at the resort, you can do the Isla for free. We, in our condition, would be able to do more than the Isla, which is 1 hour total, approximately, of course. We're going very, very slow. The rating is very hard for everybody, but let's see where this one takes us. Gaat het? Look at all the cows up there. Beautiful sight. So this is the door. We go in and start the actual hike. It starts so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy we're doing this. And the weather is collaborating. That rabbit actually looked quite a bit like the ones we have on Aruba. Maybe it's a little one. Who knows? I see some cows. We don't have a lot of cows on Aruba either. So that's why I get excited when I see cows, and I know none of you do. So different than what we have on Aruba. And I love the temperature here actually. There's a rabbit right on the path. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to try to zoom the video. See, it's walking away. So apparently there are many of them in this area, I would assume. Pretty cool to see. So I have one right in front of me. He's not running away. I don't know if it's the same one. The other guys are coming up, so maybe that's why he's running away. This is the water from the thermal waters, I do believe. Not entirely sure about it, but it looks incredibly beautiful, this area. I wish we had something like this on Aruba. It would have made it just perfect. What a beautiful, beautiful bridge this is. Quite high actually. Down there is just incredibly nice. This is a must do. If you're in a condition to do this, you cannot come here and not try to do this trail. We are surely enjoying it a lot. So guys, I hope you like this vlog also. I didn't film as much as I wanted to. It's a quick stop We did swim last night. We did swim this morning. Didn't film it. Was just able to enjoy it. Beautiful place. You gotta visit. If you're ever in Quito, take the time. Maybe one night, maybe a couple of hours. You can come and visit here for the day. That is an option if that's better for you. But definitely check it out. I would even recommend 2 nights maybe, and then you'll do the spa because they do have an excellent spa. Years ago, I did get a massage here, and I must say it was the best massage ever. And what else? Yeah, it's beautiful area. You can hike if you're into hiking. Wow, this is my view on the other side, so you can get an idea of where we were back there moments ago. A lot of different swimming pools, so depending on your cabin, which one, you know, how many people you are, if you're a couple, if you're 4, maybe you're a family, or in our case, we were 6. There are also cabins for 6 persons, up to, and that was very, very nice to, you know, everybody in one cabin. What else can I say? Not much else, really. Beautiful place, make sure you visit. Guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and give it a like if you like this one. And if you haven't watched the previous videos from Ecuador, please do go back and check in the video list and make sure you check those out as well. They're really, really good. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Back in Quito, we checked out the Botanical Garden inside La Carolina Park. Wow, what a stunning place! They have everything from a beautiful Japanese garden to a massive cactus display. But our absolute favorite was the orchid section. Next, we treated the kids to these pedal boats right in the middle of the park. Seriously, there is never a boring day in Ecuador. Okay, maybe I take that back. It was a boring day when we had to leave this beautiful country. But we want to thank everyone who made this trip unforgettable. From the drivers and immigration agents to the tour guides, waiters, and shop attendants, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Hasta luego, Ecuador. Nos vemos pronto.
Oh, we moeten zo naar die andere. Ik ga straks er wel in.
I don't feel tired out.
Ik kan jullie. Oeh, wacht even tussen gaan. Zie je mij al? Ja. Je hoofd en je hand.
Echt niet in mijn hoofd?
Wel.
Shit, echt?
Ik zag toch goed uit je hoofd,
Dat
joh.
is juist grappig zo.
Bloopers.
Nee.
Bloopers.
Nee, want mijn vriendinnen koken het.
Hallo aan alle vriendinnen van Jen. Jenny.
Jij niet.
Jenny.
Jij niet, Penny.